Hello everyone, I'm Chitra Sangre and I'm currently studying in College of Engineering Pune, well known as COEP, and my branch is Computer Science, and my MHT percentile was 98.88 and my general rank was 1524. So yes, for 11th and 12th I was in E4E Maths Academy. I joined E4E when I was in 11th, and initially I was preparing for JEE Mains and Advanced. So that did not go very well for me. I cleared mains and I could not clear advanced. So eventually I had to shift to MHT. So when you study JEE mains, half of the syllabus of MHT is covered. So I wasn't that worried for MHT. And yes, when I joined E4E Maths Academy, I wasn't very great at maths. I had a bit of interest, but it was very difficult for me. I didn't have the conceptual understanding. But after joining the class, it got very interesting for me. Sir gives short tricks and the shortcuts. They really lessen the time for which you solve the question, and it is really important to manage your time in the exam, right? And MHT is a kind of exam where accuracy is required. Not really, even if you don't have answers for all the questions, that doesn't really matter. What really matters is how much time you manage and how much more questions you solve. That really matters, and that increases your score. So time management and short tricks, shortcuts and tricks, they are very important in MHT. As far as I know, JEE mains, I would not really comment on that. Sir used to take rigorous practice of every concept, and that cleared it very well. That really did go well for me. And yes, the mock tests, they are like weekly mock tests are there, monthly mock tests are there, chapter wise tests are there, which really helps you understand what mistakes you're making, the mistakes which you can avoid in the exam. And also the weekly doubt sessions. Actually, the doubt sessions are not weekly. The doubt sessions are like whenever you have doubts. So you have to go to sir. Sir is available 24/7. Like if sir is not available in the class, you can call him, you can WhatsApp him, you can Instagram him, wherever you can reach him, he'll answer you, right? So that was very kind of sir to give all the facilities. And also, apart from being a teacher, he was always a friend to us. So in other classes, you don't really get that, according to me. So yes, we could talk to him freely. He used to give us mentorship. He was the mentor for all of us. Sir conducted different activities in class which were really helpful. He used to take some mind games. He used to take lectures on mental health. He used to talk us about different great people, and that really relaxed the environment in the class. So he was never really a teacher to us. He was always a friend, and because of that, we could ask him more freely about the problems in the subject, in any sort of problem in your life. So that was really helpful and kind of him. And not only about the subject, when you join the class and till you go to college, so that is the journey of E4E. Because in other classes you finish the syllabus, you finish the exams, and they say tata goodbye, but it is not like that in E4E. So when you join the classes till you go to college, that is the journey. Because from admissions, from registration, from the college preferences list, and from the documents which are required, in every sort of thing, sir helped us a lot. And every scenario which we faced during the admission, because it was new for us, and obviously students are going to make mistakes. So he was the one. And not only till the college admissions, after college also, if you ask for any sort of help, he will always be there for you. Now also I'm in really good contact with sir, and that feels very nice to have a teacher like that in your life. So yeah, summing up it all, for maths, I would really recommend the E4E Maths Academy, not because just I've been to the classes, I've experienced every aspect of the class, and so I can guarantee you this thing, that there is no better class in Aurangabad than this, as far as I know. But still, for maths, E4E is the best. E4E rocks. And thank you, Shailesh sir, for being so kind and being so helpful and being the best teacher I've ever experienced. Yes, thank you. And if you really want to go, E4E rocks.